Hello, aspiring marketers. Are you still struggling to boost brand awareness and improve your search engine rankings? To achieve your objectives, are you searching for the most proven and tested strategies? Then it's time to take a breather. As of today, I am going to spill the beans on Quora Marketing, one of the best ways to drive laser-targeted traffic to your business. Fascinating, right? This is just the beginning of the story. Let's check out some fascinating facts that will get you glued to it. Quora has 300 million monthly active users. Compared to other platforms, businesses that use Quora Ads got up to 4 times higher conversions. More than 300 advertisers are running ads on Quora platform, including Shopify, Thinkific, HubSpot, Udacity, and many more. Quora has got over 500,000 topics live on the site and stands out as the second largest library next to Wikipedia. Top B2B companies are leveraging Quora Ads to grow their presence. Whoosh! These results are surely going to sweep you off your feet. And I know you're feeling lured to reap the immense benefits that Quora Marketing holds for your business. Wait! Hold on for just a second. The grass is not always green on the other side. To become successful, you need proper information that is proven and tested, as well as keeps you in good shape and saves you from losing your time and money. Don't worry, here's an easy and proven system to add this to your marketing arsenal and take your business to Cloud 9. Presenting Quora Marketing Made Easy Training Guide. This step-by-step training guide will take you by the hand and teach you how to create high-converting Quora marketing campaigns to boost leads, sales, and profits. With its proper use, you can learn crazy simple Quora strategies and get better results in a cost-effective manner. And most importantly, you'll discover Quora Marketing premium tools and services to boost sales and profits. Plus, you don't need to be a hardcore techie to get these benefits. Even a non-tech guy can use this with no problem. Folks, it's time to break the monotony and lay your hands on this jam-packed Quora Marketing Made Easy training guide so you can steal the spotlight from your competitors like you've always wanted. A word of caution: the price will shoot up to its original soon. I wish you a profitable and successful business ahead.